The Mandela Mining Precinct has started off through the Technical Steering Committee identifying a project. First phase was in the 2021, whereby they produced a prototype which did comply to the proof of concept, but that was for surface testing. And subsequent to that, we modified that unit to enable that unit to be used as underground, because the previous first prototype was not conducive for underground testing. So that has been done up to the point where we are ready now for the underground testing.
So the idea, the concept behind this study is to sort of remove the miner from the face or unsupported areas. So the whole drive of the mining industry to sort of make it safer for our individuals underground. So the idea is to have a remote charging unit, so it'll be sort of a robotic little vehicle that'll be able to move up and down on a mining face with drilled holes, and this machine would then charge the face with a set quantity of explosives. So the operator of the machine would be in line of sight, but he would be some distance away under supported ground, so in a very safer area, and this little robot would then be interacting with the face and then charging these drill holes. So the purpose was to see if we can't prove the concept of a unit that will be able to operate remotely, that will be able to identify drill holes and then insert a charging lance into this hole to simulate that we're actually charging this hole.
The remote charging unit was developed specifically for the narrow reef environment, and the unit is very robust and it is battery driven. But obviously we have the capability to replace the drive motors either with pneumatic motors, such that we can adapt to the energy source on the underground environment.
The reason we built the unit ourselves was there were very specific requirements from the mine side in terms of the ruggedness and the payload. So this is actually, it's kind of in the middle ground for robots. The unit includes a dual camera system. One camera which looks forward so that the operator can see where the unit is driving, and it has a second camera which is used to locate blast holes on the wall. The advantage of putting a camera on the system is that the operator could be much further away from the unit while it is handling dangerous explosives. This unit is unique. As far as I know, there is no other unit that does charging of this kind of stope mining. This is very much a technology demonstrator. At this point, it's not a finished product. We're demonstrating that it's possible to do this.
I think everyone that's been involved in this project has a vision for the future, a future where people aren't working with their lives at risk, a lot of danger and a lot of manual labor. And if we can sort of be a part of the transition, because I know this is just a baby step in a grand scheme of changes that are needed, but if we can be a small part of that, then that's an exciting future for me.